Hi, this video is going to show you how to install Velocitek SpeedPlay on your Windows XP or Vista computer. If I'm ever going too fast, remember that you can always hit the pause button on your YouTube player. To install Velocitek SpeedPlay, first go to our website, velocitek.com, and then click on the products link in the blue menu bar. Then click on the SpeedPlay link in the gray menu bar. Once you get to the SpeedPlay page, scroll down to the Download Free Trial button. Click on the Download Free Trial button even if you've already bought a SpeedPlay license. Once you've installed the software, you'll be able to enter your license key to prevent the trial from expiring. Then you'll see this pop-up form. Fill in your name and email address. All this other information is optional. We use it when we're designing new products. It helps us out to know who our customers are. If you don't want to fill it out, just scroll down here and click Submit. That'll send you to this page where you can download the actual program by clicking on the red button. You'll see a window that looks something like this pop up. I'm using Firefox here. If you're using some other browser, the window might look a bit different, but it will have essentially the same options. Choose to save the file. Save it somewhere where you'll be able to find it. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Once that file is finished downloading, hold down the Windows logo key in the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard and press the E key while holding down the Windows logo key. This will launch Windows Explorer. Navigate to wherever you chose to save setup.exe, in my case the desktop. Once you've found the file, double-click on it. Now you're probably going to get this scary-looking "Publisher could not be verified" warning. This warning comes up because Velocitek is a small company and Microsoft is essentially saying that they've never heard of us. But we know the software is safe, so go ahead and click Run. The menus that you'll see after this point depend on what you already have installed on your computer. Velocitek SpeedPlay uses two programming frameworks that many newer computers come with pre-installed, the Microsoft.NET framework and the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE. If one or both of these is not already installed on your computer, the Velocitek SpeedPlay installer will automatically download and install them for you. As you go through the installation process, just keep on clicking Next and accept all the default choices. When the installation is complete, you'll see a window that looks like this. Click on the Finish button. Now that Velocitek SpeedPlay is installed on your computer, you can launch the program by clicking on your Windows Start icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, choosing All Programs, clicking on the Velocitek folder, and then clicking on the Velocitek SpeedPlay icon. Once you've done that, the program window will open up like this. Now make sure you have batteries installed in your Velocitek GPS device and look at the LCD screen to make sure the device is turned on. You can turn on an SC1 by holding down the mode and the minus button like this. When you see 0, let go and that'll turn the device on. You can also quickly turn on an SC1 by pulling out 2 of its batteries and then putting them back in place. If you have a speed puck, you can turn it on just by pressing the big square button at the bottom of the LCD. Once your Velocitek device is turned on and the LCD screen isn't blank, connect it to your computer using the USB cable that came with it. What happens when you first connect your Velocitek to your computer depends on whether your PC is running Microsoft Vista or XP. If you're using Vista, you'll see a bubble appear in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen as Windows automatically installs the driver for your device. If you're using Windows XP, you'll have to go through a simple driver installation procedure using the Windows Add New Hardware wizard. A tutorial showing this procedure is available at velocitek.com/support/getting-started. Once the driver installation is complete, select the Devices tab in the Velocitek SpeedPlay window. After a few seconds, you'll see an icon representing your Velocitek appear. Click on the icon to highlight it, and then select Device Properties. When the Device Properties window opens up, look here in the firmware version field. If you have a brand new SC1, it should say V2.2. If your SC1 has been used before, it might say something else. If the text in this field is completely blank, your Velocitek device is not communicating properly with your PC. You can normally fix this by closing the Device Properties menu, unplugging your Velocitek, and then double checking to make sure it has batteries installed and that it's turned on before you reconnect it. If this doesn't work, try connecting it to a different USB port on your computer. Make sure you remember to close and reopen the device properties windows every time you do this. If you don't close and reopen the window, the information in the window won't change even if you fix the problem. Another thing to watch out for is if you have an SC1 connected to your computer but it says S10 in this field here. This problem is caused by a production defect in some of our early SC1s. You can fix the problem by going to velocitek.com/support/utilities and then downloading the FTDI chip reprogramming kit. Once you've downloaded the zip folder that contains the kit, unzip the folder and open the Word document in the folder. Now that you have Velocitek SpeedPlay installed and communicating properly with your Velocitek device, you can use it to download GPS data from your Velocitek device, download GPS data from a group of Velocitek devices in one batch, cut up and format raw GPS data into race replays, add marks to your replays, and automatically import map backgrounds from the Microsoft Virtual Earth server. To see a demonstration of how all this is done, check out the Velocitek SpeedPlay demo video. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.